How to change plan in Netflix. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can change plan in Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to change plan in Netflix, it's actually quite very simple thing to do. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, instead of using the Netflix app that you'll find over here, I want you to actually open up your browser. So once you open your browser, you can simply go to netflix.com and log into the account on which you want to change the plan. After you do that, tap on the three lines option located at the top left of the screen, then simply go to the option called account. Then once you go to the option called account, you will find this interface over here. Then from here, what you actually have to do is you'll find this option called plan details under premium ultra HD. Then you'll find the option called change plan. So tap on the change plan option here, and here you'll see a couple of plans in this case, and you can select that, and then you can just tap on continue if you want to change the plan. This way you will be able to change plan on Netflix. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.